Hello, do you know how to count in a massive number in multiples of 1,000? Okay, so 1,000 looks like this. Okay, it's 1 with a comma on it and then 3 zeros. So that's 1,000. Now, but counting it is actually very easy. So all you have to do is just tell me what number comes after 1. That's 2. So you then just go 2, but just remember that it's 3 zeros in 1,000, okay? So then you just go 3 and put a comma there. It just keeps going on and on and on and on. So then it'll be 3,000 and 4,000. But let's now ask you a question. So if I start with 7,000, if I said what is 7,000 plus 1,000, what number would that be? Okay, let's give you a second. Well done, it is 8,000. And 8,000 is a huge number. It looks like this, okay? So, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!